Hey everybody, thought I'd just put this out there because I don't see too much here on YouTube. But I just installed a Bilstein 5100 dual steering dampener system on my 2015 Ram 3500. Just took it out for a drive and it was very nice. Steering wheel feels a little bit more responsive. Definitely not quite as much, you don't feel the road quite as much in the steering wheel. I'm really happy with it. Simple install. Took me about, once I got everything together and tightened down, it was about 30 minutes. Just need a 19 and 18 millimeter sockets and end wrenches. Just pop out the old OEM steering dampener that was mounted here. You got to mount a bracket that is measured from 491 millimeters from this point here to the end hole here. This bracket's held on with some Allen keys. Slip bolt through. There's a spacer right there. And tighten everything down. You actually save the original bolt from this end here and reuse it with the lock nut up top. Pretty clean, super simple. I would highly recommend it to anyone that has a Dodge 3500. Take it easy, guys.